Amazon Web Services Website Hosting Review Usage Experience. Links to Amazon Web Services AWS hosting are in the description below. AWS is the industry leader in cloud hosting, offering an unmatched combination of scalability, reliability, and flexibility. It's designed for businesses of all sizes, from startups to global enterprises, providing everything from simple website hosting to complex cloud infrastructures. AWS offers multiple hosting solutions, including Amazon EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, for customizable virtual servers, Amazon Lightsail for simplified VPS hosting, and AWS Elastic Beanstalk for fully managed application hosting. If you need a scalable serverless option, AWS Lambda allows you to run applications without provisioning servers. Their S3 storage is ideal for hosting static websites, while Amazon RDS provides managed database solutions. Performance and uptime are where AWS excels. With data centers in over 30 regions worldwide, AWS ensures low latency and high availability. It offers auto-scaling and load balancing, meaning your website or application can handle traffic spikes without downtime. Security is also top tier, featuring DDoS protection, encryption, firewalls, IAM, identity and access management, and compliance with major security standards. AWS is perfect for developers, large-scale businesses, and enterprises needing customized infrastructure and global reach. However, its pay-as-you-go pricing can be complex, and costs can add up if resources are not managed properly. Unlike traditional shared hosting, AWS requires some technical knowledge, although services like AWS Lightsail make it easier for beginners. One of AWS's biggest advantages is integration with machine learning, big data, IoT, and enterprise applications, making it the go-to choice for tech-driven businesses. However, if you're just hosting a small website, AWS might be overkill. Overall, AWS hosting is the best choice for businesses that need power, scalability, and flexibility. It's not the most beginner-friendly platform, but for those who need cloud computing at scale, AWS remains the most robust and feature-rich solution on the market.